Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. It is Beautifulblkrican. We are about to do some nails. You see my nails, don't come for me, all right? Now, these nails I purchased from Amazon. These are the EC basket nails. I love these nails. The length is good, maybe a little too long for me, but it's all right. We're gonna rock with them anyway. They are very sturdy nails, and I love them. Inexpensive as well. So, I'm in a rush. I'm going to rush through these a bit. I'm sorry. They may not look the way that I really would love for them to look, but I want to show you how easy it is to do your own nails at home. Okay. Now I'm a nail biter, so I've got to keep my nails done. And I won't be visiting any salons to do that. Okay. We do DIY around these parts. Now I'm choosing the size of my nails off camera. But as soon as I'm finished with that, we will be right back. Alright, so for my nails today, I thought I'd do some glitter nails. These are the Laza Ultra Brilliant Glitters. Alright, there are several little glitters in this box. I purchased this off of Amazon, very inexpensive. And when I do glitters, I love these little glitter pots, I guess you can call them, because it's easy to put up and keep out of sight. Anyway, we are going through the colors. I'm showing you these colors. Look how pretty they are. Very, very pretty. Times like this, I wish I was using my ring light so you could really see the colors. But this is my nail table light, so you may not see them pop as much as they should. All right, and here I'm just showing you the box again in case you want to purchase this off of Amazon. I will make sure to leave the link below in the description. All right, so here are all these gorgeous colors, and I'm just going through them to see which color I want to use today. I was really hoping that there would be a rose gold in this glitter, and I thought it was when I purchased it, but maybe I was looking at too many different glitters. But anyway, I'm kind of feeling this turquoisey blue. So I think that's what we're going to go for today. So let me pack all these back up and let's get ready to rumble. My favorite color is pink, so this one kept screaming at me, but we're going to stick with the color we chose. And now I'm just getting all of the materials I need to do these nails, so bear with me as I pull everything together. This is the nail glue gel that I use from Model 1s. I love this stuff. If you don't know about it, it's time for you to learn. So go ahead and get you some nail glue gel from Model 1s, okay? Your bling bling will stay on much longer with this product. All right, now I'm just pulling all of the nails where I can see them, where we can begin to work on them. So bear with me, we will start soon. All right, and this is the cuticle stick that I use to push my cuticles back. I'm sorry I wasn't in frame good with this. All right, now that that's done, I'm just going to take this buffing block here and just buff the shine off of the little pieces of nails that I have. Shh, did nobody ask you? All right, all I'm doing here is just wiping them down with my paper towels that has a little bit of alcohol on them. And now we are going to get ready to rock this party. Okay, so here, if I can get untangled, I am going to take my nail drill and just file away the inside of that nail a little bit where it lays against your natural nail. This helps it to stay and stick longer. Okay, so now I'm just opening everything up so that I can get ready to use each product. Pushing my nail lamp back a little bit to give me a little more room. My video apparatus is all in the way, but it's all right. We're gonna make it work. Here's the brush that I use with my gel. And what we're gonna do is we are going to use the gel by placing it inside the nail. And we are going to bring it more than halfway down because you did see my nails, my natural nails look very rough. So I kind of want to cover that as much as I can without doing the whole nail. And I'm sorry I'm somewhat out of frame doing this, but I will fix it. And I was trying it this way at first, but I'm going to use my cuticle tool to help apply the glitter. But I want to make sure that the glitter is on all of the part that you see the nail glue, or the gel, should I say. As you can see, this is working a little better for me. But what I do is I tap off the excess glitter, and I usually use my finger, one of my fingers, just to push the glitter up to where I want it to sit. But I'm using a brush at this moment, but I will switch over to my fingers. And once I'm happy with the placement of the glitter, I'm going to place them under my nail lamp and cure them for 60 seconds. And here I'm just trying to jump ahead to show you what I do once I have finished with the placement of the glitter. Just put them under the lamp for 60 seconds to let them dry. And let's go ahead and finish the rest of these nails, okay? And just a little FYI from me, I like to put the glitter inside the nail instead of the outside of the nail. I don't know about you, but things on top of my nails that I can feel bother me, so I prefer to put the glitter inside. All right, so here I'm just cleaning up, allowing these nails to sit in here for 60 seconds. And once they are finished curing for that 60 seconds, I take them out and I apply more of the gel nail glue over top of what I've already done, because I don't know about you, but glitter gets on my nerves. You can find glitter everywhere once you use it, and I really want to protect my eyes when it comes to glitter, so I want to put another coating over top of that glitter so that it is secure inside of the nail and I don't have to worry about risking it coming out, okay? That's just my deal. I don't know about anyone else, but that's how I do it. And now just letting them cure like I did earlier, and cleaning up my brush because I really want to get this gel nail glue out of my brush so that I can use it again for my next application. So I'll be back as soon as this is done. All right, here they are. They are ready to apply. Now, I'm not going to tell you what glue I use. That's your business. I don't want anybody coming back saying, well, you said use this glue. No, I did not. But the glue that I use, I love. My nails usually last almost 3 weeks with the glue that I use. But there are some really great glues out there that you can find and you can use for yourself, okay? So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a little drop of glue inside the nail. Here I'm checking because something was a little fishy for me. I don't know what it was. I may have put the wrong nail inside my packages and got them mixed up. But just excuse all of this that I'm doing. I'm just double checking to make sure that I have the right nail. But once I finish applying all of these, I will be back. And don't mind that mess that I have once I apply my nail and you see all that glue coming out. Because, again, I was rushing and I know I didn't need that much glue. But unfortunately, ish happens, right? All right, let's go ahead and get these nails on. And here, because I knew I had made such a big mess with this glue, I had glue everywhere, you guys. I just used a Q-tip to go under the back of the nail just to get all the excess glue out. All right, my hearts, this is the final product. I'm kind of thinking I should have just went on and filled the whole nail with the glitter, but it's all good. I'm just OCD. Those lines is really doing something to me. But we can't always be perfect, can we? I love them. I think they came out really nice. They are going to work for now. Until the next time, you guys. You let me know what you think. But like I said, I do everything on a budget, honey, right now in these times. So if I can do it myself, I am going to do it. And once again, I used the Laza Ultra Brilliant Glitter that I purchased from Amazon. So anyway, this is it, my loves. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much and have a blessed and wonderful day. And remember, beauty is ageless and you can be beautiful on a budget. Bye, everybody.